Hi guys, welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn and this is Makeup Tip Monday, number 11. Politely ask your wedding clients to avoid the makeup workspace after they are dressed. Makeup artists, your workspace can actually be a danger zone, especially to someone who is dressed and has their beautiful dress on or outfit and they are just perfect, ready to go and walk out that door. Your workspace could be full of powders and liquid products. You really don't want your clients after they're dressed to come near your workspace. Why? Because something can accidentally spill on them, or perhaps they'll lean into something, put their hand on something, then touch their dress. It could just be an absolute disaster. So one of the things that I do when I'm working, especially in someone's home or on any job where I know that they're going to be dressed and it's the only thing that they have to wear, there's no backup to the outfit, I politely ask my clients to just avoid, step away, don't come back to my work area. And a lot of times, especially when you're working with wedding clients, they want to come back, they want to give you a gratuity, they want to thank you, they want to praise your work. But the best thing for them is to not come back near your stuff, because God forbid your makeup gets on that beautiful dress. Well guys, I hope this makeup tip helps. I'll see you next time on MakeupClasses.com.